Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we will gonna talk about the punchlines that we can use for the essay which are on food. So here is the first punchline, that is, people are slowly increasing passion towards the taste of food, and some people are becoming crazy about the food. The second one is advancement in the technology such as microwave oven and rice cooker has provided efficient option for cooking food. This has reduced the overall time required for cookery. The third one is over the past decade, the food industry had tremendous growth and advancements. This together with technological advancements has made it much easier to prepare food and cook at home. The fourth one is most of the food items that were hard to prepare and restricted to experienced chefs are now easily available off the shelf. The fifth one is the food is the fundamental needs of human lives, and from the ancient period until this ultra modern tech time, people have invented different ways to prepare and customize food. So these are the five punchlines that we can use in the essay or in the task 2, which is on food, because these punchlines give more effective look to your task 2. Firstly, you mention these lines, after that you can rephrase your statement. It all depends upon you that which punchline you want to use in your task 2. I personally recommend you to learn only 2 punchlines for food, and remember those punchlines clearly so that you can use those punchlines in final examination if the topic is on food. Alright, so if you want more such type of videos, do share this with your friends and like the video. Thank you.